this really fun, smelly jelly bean Play-Doh. I hid some jelly beans in there. Can you see them? It's so squishy and it smells so good. It smells just like the jelly beans I picked. I wonder what yours will smell like. Woo! Here's what you need. 20 jelly beans of one color, a strainer, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 4 cups powdered sugar, microwave, measuring cups and spoons, a 1/4 cup water, and a mixing bowl. Count 20 jelly beans of one color. Put your jelly beans in a 1/4 cup water. Microwave for 45 seconds. Strain the jelly bean liquid and set aside to cool. Add 2 cups of powdered sugar into your mixing bowl. Pour jelly bean liquid and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix it up and slowly add a little bit more powdered sugar. Roll and knead until smooth. Add cookie jelly beans for extra fun. Hope you have fun with this recipe, friends. Enjoy!